you can see that the suggested responses are in English. Now what happens here is Allo recognizes that the conversation is in English and hence triggers and suggests responses in the same language. Isn't that great? Looks like they're making some plans and they want to eat me at the Hyatt. I'm staying here, so I'm going to crash your party.
Absolutely, you'll get the bill right.
As you saw with this conversation, we often use messaging to get things done, like making plans with friends, ordering taxis and food. And every time I come here, I'm amazed at how far users in India are already using messaging in this way. We designed Allo with that in mind. Allo can help you do more. JG talked about the assistant earlier. Allo will be the first place you'll be able to use the Google Assistant in Preview Edition. You can chat one-on-one, or you can bring the assistant into your group conversations to help you make those plans and find places and things without ever having to leave your app. Last week, the Google Assistant launched in Allo in English, and I'm excited to announce that later this year, Google Assistant will be available in Hindi. Just a quick look. So let's go back to Rachita's screen. She's starting a conversation with the assistant and pulling up the Indian keyboard so she can chat with it in Hindi. I'm a big Bollywood fan, and my favorite is Alia Bhatt.
Well, it's funny that you say that, Amit, because I quite like her too. So why don't we go check out some of her movies?
Let's do it.
So I'm going to use the Indian keyboard and type Alia Bhatt film hai.
And you can see for the first time, you get to ask assistant a question in a language other than English. The assistant is responding with rich cards showing info about her movies, and this is all powered by Google's Knowledge Graph. Isn't there a new movie coming out?
I believe so. I heard something. I can't remember the name, so maybe let's ask Google again. So I'm going to type Alia Bhatt ki nayi film. Alia Bhatt. Nayi film. Let's see.
And let's see the response from the assistant. Shruti, that's right. Now, we can find out more about the movie, such as the cast, language, and genre, by tapping on these suggestion chips, which are again also in Hindi. Looks like I'm going to have to watch this movie for sure. Thanks, Rachita.
Thank you.
So that was assistant in Hindi. Bollywood fans